Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Patel and in this video we are going to learn about how to register BCIN number for the individual. First question is why when I need that? If you want to attempt any of the BCIN exams, like there are like 16 BCIN exams, if you want to attempt any of them, you need your BCIN number. So let's start here with the step 1. So find the website. You can see here, oh that's my website. It's a really good platform, I know that, but you can't book the exam over there. We'll go to Humber's platform. All right, so we'll go to this website and let's see how it's going to look like. So the main page is going to look like this is like a long page. Over there you can see about how many total BCN exams, rules, regulation, how to book that. It's a really good information, you can go through that. All right, but we'll going to particular section to the registration. On these sections it says clearly, if you don't have a BCIN, click here. Alright, so we don't have the BCIN and we are going to click here. That's going to open the new page. So this is the page and it says that we have to access the QuaRTS. On the QuaRTS basically you'll get all the BCIN relevant information, your exam result, your company registrations, everything. So we're going to make an account over there. So let's start with the step 5. So I understand that you don't have any account on the QuaRTS and that's why we are going to press create new one. All right, once we'll press that, it's very typical email ID, password and I agree conditions. Alright, then you'll get the verification email on your number. You'll enter the verification code and then it shows like all the terms and condition, privacy policy. You'll go through that and say I agree. Alright, then next step is you have to fill the information. It's a very typical information, your first name, last name, phone numbers and whatever it's the star mark, that's compulsory. So you must have to fill that information. Alright, eventually you'll just say get start and it's going to be next page. On the next page you have 3 options. Must choose the correct option. You are here to generate a BCIN for yourself, that's why you are going to choose the option number 1. So choose that one and let's say okay. So press the go and step 8 is the generate BCIN number. Alright, here you'll just press your email ID and say generate BCIN and it's going to generate your BCIN number. Alright, so here we can see you'll get the email as well, but here you can see your BCIN number. Congratulations, you have already your BCIN number. Right now it's time to preparation for the exam. So see our other videos on the BCIN exams. Also press or go to on our home page. Over there you can see this orange button says start free BCIN practice exam. Over there you can practice any BCIN exam for the house, small building or any legal exams. Alright, thank you so much for this video. We're going to meet you on the new exciting videos. Thank you.